today's topic is division of fraction. Again, here, see, we are going to do it step by step. The first question that we have is 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So, we will follow three simple steps. The first step is copy the first fraction as it is, that is 2 by 5. Second step, change the division sign to multiplication. Third step, use the reciprocal of the second fraction given. That is 1 by 5 becomes 5 by 1. That's it. Now, solve this sum as we do in case of multiplication. See over here, 5 and 5 get cancelled, so we are left with only 2. That's it. Moving on, number 2. 4 by 9 divided by 1 by 2. Over here, again 3 steps to follow. Copy the first fraction as it is. Use the multiplication sign instead of division. And use the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 2 by 1. Over here 9, it cannot be cancelled with 4 or 2, any of these either. So, simply multiply the numerator 4 into 2, 8, and the denominator 9 into 1, 9. It's a proper fraction, so we'll leave it this manner. Moving on, number 3. 5 by 8 divided by 2 by 3. Now, same, follow 5 by 8, copy the first fraction. Division sign becomes multiplication and 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2. Over here 5 is not possible for us to get divided by 8 or 2. Same goes with 3. So we're going to simply multiply it. 5 into 3, numerator is 15. 8 into 2, denominator is 16. Again, it is in proper fraction, so we'll leave it over here till this. Next, number 4. 4 by 9 divided by 4 by 7. Again, follow 3 steps. First, copy the first fraction as it is. Use the multiplication sign of the over here and use the reciprocal of the second fraction. 4 by 7 becomes 7 by 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So 7 is left in the numerator and 9 in the denominator, right, which we are going to write. Moving on, number 5. 8 by 29 divided by 8 by 13. Again, 3 steps. The first step, use the first fraction as it is, copied down, 8 by 29. Use the multiplication sign over here instead of division. Use the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 8 by 13 becomes 13 by 8. 8 gets cancelled. We are left with numerator 13 and denominator 29. Moving on, number 6. 6 by 11 divided by 1, 2 by 11. Now here we are going to again follow some step, but here we have got one mixed fraction. So first step will remain the same, that is copy the first fraction 6 by 11. Second step also remains the same, that is convert the division sign into multiplication. Third step, we are going to first convert this number. If we convert this number, what we can do is first convert this fraction. Put division sign as given in the question. First convert this mixed fraction into improper. So 11 into 1 becomes 11 plus 2. 13 by 11. Now in the next step, we are going to solve this sum. That is, copy the first fraction as it is, 6 by 11. Use the multiplication sign instead of division. Change the sign and use the reciprocal of 13 by 11, that is 11 by 13. 11 gets cancelled. We are left with 6 in the numerator and 13 in the denominator, which becomes my answer. Moving on, number 7. 7 by 22 divided by 3 1 by 2. Over here, first we are going to convert the second fraction into improper fraction. So 7 by 22, write it as it is, divided by 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Next step, we are going to solve this sum. 7 by 22, copy it as it is. Use multiplication sign instead of division. And use the reciprocal of 7 by 2 and write 2 by 7. Cancel the 7, 22 and 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So in the numerator we are left with nothing. Nothing means actually we are left with 1 and 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. And here we have got 11. So 11 in the denominator. That is it. Moving on, number 8. Number 8, we have got 5 by 9 divided by 1, 1 by 3. First, again, we are going to convert the second fraction into improper fraction. So 5 by 9 divided by 1 into 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So it becomes 4 by 3. Now we are going to solve it. First fraction, write it as it is. Second fraction, use multiplication sign instead of division. And third, use the reciprocal of 4 by 3, that is 3 by 4. Now solve it. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So you have here in the numerator 5 into 1. We get 5. And denominator 3 into 4, 12. That's it. Moving on, number 9. 9 divided by 4, 1 by 2. Now over here, first step will be to convert the next fraction, that is, this is sum number 9. Okay. Now see, first step, 9 actually means 9 by 1. So we're going to write 9 by 1 divided by 4 into 2, 8 plus 1. So it's 9 by 2. In the next step, write 9 by 1. Use the multiplication sign instead of division. And use the reciprocal of 9 by 2, that is 2 by 9. 9 gets cancelled. So we are left with 2 in the numerator. And in denominator we are left with 1. So you can either write 2 by 1 or only 2. I suggest both means the same thing. So you can leave it as 2. That is it. Number 10. And you have got 6 divided by 1, 1 by 5. Over here, 6 means 6 by 1 divided by 1 into 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So this is 6 by 5. In the next step, 6 by 1, division becomes multiplication, and 6 by 5 use its reciprocal, 5 by 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So we are left with only 5 in the numerator. In denominator we are left with 1. So we may not write it. Doesn't make any difference. This is it. Moving on, number 11. Number 11, 4.5 divided by 5 by 4. Divided by 5 by 4. Yeah. Now here, first step is convert the first fraction into improper fraction. So 4 into 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. Next, division becomes multiplication. 5 by 4 uses reciprocal 4 by 5. Now 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So numerator we have got 9 into 2, 18, and in denominator we have got 1 into 5, 5. Now since this is an improper fraction, you can see the denominator is greater. Convert it into mixed fraction. So 18 divided by 5, 5 into 3, 15. 3. So this becomes my whole number, the quotient, that is 3. The remainder becomes my numerator. So 3 we are going to write it over here. And the 5 in the divisor becomes my denominator. So we have got 3 by 5 as our answer. Moving on, number 12. 15, 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 9. First step, we are going to convert the mixed fraction into improper. 15 into 3, 45 plus 2, 47 by 3. Division becomes multiplication and use the reciprocal of 5 by 9, that is 9 by 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now we are going to multiply the numerator. The numerator we have got 47 into 3 is 141. 5 into 1, 1 into 5, that is 5 here. Again you see this is an improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction. So 141 divided by 5, 5 into 2, 10, 4, 1, 5 into 8, 41. Now this 28 becomes my whole number. The remainder 1 becomes my numerator and 5 becomes my denominator. So answer becomes 28 1 by 5. Moving on, number 13. 3 5 by 8 divided by 1 5 by 24. Let's check. 3 5 by 8 divided by 1 5 by 24. So this is 5 by 24. Yeah, correct. Number 30. Now see, we are going to again follow the same step. Both the fractions over here are given in mixed fractions. So first we have to convert it. So if we convert it, this becomes 3 into 8, 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. The first fraction divided by, first let's convert both the fractions and then we're going to solve it. 1 into 24 is 24 plus 5, 29 by 24. Now in the next step we are going to solve it. 29 by 8, the first fraction, write it as it is. Then use multiplication instead of division. And use the reciprocal of 29 by 24, which is 24 by 29. Now see, this 29 gets cancelled diagonally. And 8 divided by 8 is 1 and 24 divided by 8 is 3. So in numerator we are left with 3 and denominator we are left with 1. So we'll write only 3. Because 3 and 3 by 1 means the same thing. That is it. Moving on to number 14. 8 2 by 3 divided by 4 1 by 3. 8 2 by 3 and 4 1 by 3. Okay. Now here also we are going to first convert the given fractions into improper. 8 into 3 is 24 plus 2. 26 by 3 divided by, again, 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1 13. So 13 by 3. Next step, see 26 by 3, the first fraction, write it as it is. Division becomes multiplication over here. And 13 by 3 becomes 3 by 13. Cancel the 3. 13 into 2 is 26, that is 13 divided by 13 is 1, 26 divided by 13 is 2. So in numerator we are left with 2 and nothing in the denominator, only 1. So 2 by 1, it can be written as only 2. So this was our 14. Moving on to the last question, number 15. 7 2 by 9 divided by 2 2 by 3. 7 2 by 9, 2 2 by 3. Yeah. Now see, 7 into 9. First step is we are going to convert the given fraction, that is an improper fraction, mixed fraction, to its improper fraction. So here 7 into 9 is 63 plus 2. 65 by 9 divided by, next 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. Now next 65 by 9 we are going to write it as it is. Use multiplication sign. 8 by 3 becomes 3 by 8, it's reciprocal. 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. 65 and 3, it will be possible for us to divide? No. Rules of divisibility, 6 plus 5 is 11, not divisible by 3. 8 is also not divisible by 65, not divisible by 8, so we'll leave it as it is. Numerator we have got 65 and denominator we have got 3 into 8, 24. Since this given fraction is in improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. Always remember to follow the final step. So 65 divided by 24. Over here we will use 24 into 2, 48. 65 minus 48, 17. So here this 2 of quotient becomes my whole number. The remainder 17 becomes my numerator and my divisor 24 becomes my denominator. This is our answer. That is it.